Hi, it's Whitney, and today I am using this expression hair to do passion twist on my hair in a denim brush as well as edge control. I used Carol's Daughter hair milk to blow dry my hair out along with this IC heat protectant.
I'm starting off with my hair basically braided at the very root and then turned and like twisted. The reason is because I've done box braids so many different times and each time I kind of do it differently, but I knew for sure that I did not want to do the rubber band method with these twists because for one, I don't like when I can see the rubber bands, but also I don't like the tension on my hair from the rubber bands and like possibly having breakage. Sometimes I'm just really anal about things when it comes to my hair. So as you can see, it's already parted. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up until the front and then show you guys how I do these ones. Caution how much actual edge control you use because then you'll have this gray look, this gray ash look. It's not a look. Don't do that, okay?
I start off with 3 strands of the expression hair and brush it out thoroughly so that it's nice and fluffy and not so neat because I don't want all my twists to be uniform. I like the messier look. I take the crochet needle and open it up and push it through the top part of the braided part of my twisted hair. Then I take the expression hair, hook it to the crochet needle and close it and then pull it right through. Make sure that you close the needle so that you're not pulling on your hair or causing any breakage, and that flap should be shut when you pull it through and it comes through super easy. Then I pull the rest of the expression hair through and hold one side and then make it even. And I start to thoroughly twist. I'd like to cover the braided part as much as possible and then twist down. Here's a short recap. I'm just gonna be quiet now, but if you're still watching at this point, you should go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're here, so you should just do it, right? Yeah.
I'm excited. So first, let me start with the hair. I used this expression hair. Honestly, to be candid, I do not know much about actual like packs of hair. I just went to 2 hair stores and I found this like look of dark at the top and lighter at the bottom, the ombre look. And the first one, I didn't really like how the hair felt, although it was way cheaper than this hair because this hair is $7. I don't know if that's expensive on the hair side, but I've done box braids plenty of times in the past and I don't ever remember them, a pack of hair costing $7. I went through 5 packs of these. This is how much hair I have on my head. And it's a lot, I will say, but it's also not heavy at all. It's super lightweight and I like it, and it's really soft. I still have to do my ends, so they're like not put together right now, but I don't feel like doing it, and this took long enough, so I don't really want to do it. This cost me, because it was $7 a pack, so let's do 7 times, well, I got 7 packs. So 7 times 7 is 49. So this cost me about $50. We're just gonna say that. And then time. If I would have went to someone, it would have cost me probably around $200, a lot. They obviously probably would have did a better like precision like look job, but other than that, this was a way better deal because it's less money. I'm really proud of myself, y'all. Like, I've always wanted to do passion twist and I took a chance on doing a different color. Like, usually I always stick to the same dark color because I don't want to I don't like to risk it, but this turned out really good and I am very, very pleasantly surprised. So, and while you're here, just go ahead and press that subscribe button because it's just so easy. And that bell thing that people talk about, but do that.